everyone, I am so excited today. At last, after almost 10 months, the first time I saw this machine was in Australia. They have arrived in South Africa and they have got a South African plug, and I am so excited. Okay, it's called the GoPress and foil machine, and I'm not exactly sure how it works because although I have seen it in action and I have watched a lot of videos, my brain is a little slow in certain instances and I need to figure out things for myself. So today we're going to do the unboxing and the how to work this thing together. You get this beautiful box. I think the box is gorgeous, and there is gold foil just to give you an idea that you will be foiling something. When you open the box, it is packaged beautifully, and look at that. That is so cute. It says thank you from all the team at Couture Creations. We hope you love our GoPress and foil as much as we enjoyed making it for you. That's really a fantastic welcome. It just shows you that the company is very proud of their machine and that they are kind of sure that we would love it too. When you open the box, here's a thingy that gives you the warranty details. And it tells you on everything what warranty you've got. There's an instruction manual. Okay, we'll go through that. Oh, chipboard. Okay, and here's a little thing that says, for continued inspiration, how to use videos and information, find us online. Okay, and then there's the thing. Foil. Yes, you need foil. This is gold and silver. And let's just do this nicely. I have a tendency of just ripping things out of their boxes. You can see it comes with a South African plug. I need to find a pair of scissors. Cut that off there. Okay. Take that off there. I really like that they went through all the trouble to put a South African plug on. Just bear in mind that only these machines that have the factory fitted South African plug, if you live in South Africa, will carry the warranty, otherwise it's null and void. And you can actually see at the bottom of each machine that's coming to South Africa, there is the number. So this was machine number 439, and there's the quality check. So please make sure that you do have a machine that is fitted with a South African plug if you live in South Africa. The machine in. Let me just find a good spot here where it doesn't interfere with my other things. Okay, so there's a little light that comes on, and I'm going to press that button. They said that we must press that button and then it'll flash like red a few times, and then when it's ready it will be green. So it says here, turn the main power on, red light will come, blah 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 blah, machine will automatically switch off. Lift up the heating platform protector lid, place your chipboard or thin wooden piece on the heating platform. Okay, onto that, righto, and we are going to close the lid. Let your chipboard heat for approximately a minute. While your foiling machine heats up, prepare and cut your activated foil to the size of your chipboard or thin wood piece in preparation for foiling. Okay, so I think I want to do a silver snowflake, and in your box we got gold and silver foil. Okay, so I'm just going to cut the whole thing through for fear of cutting it too small. And yes, I just think I'm going to pop it on and I will use the leftover. I am going to be working with another piece, which will be this gorgeous chipboard frame, but we will get to that one in a few seconds. It takes about 7 to 8 minutes for the machine to heat up, so I'm going to finish my coffee while the machine heats up. So now my machine's light is green, and the instructions actually say that now I have to lift up the heating platform, clear lid. Okay, oh, there it goes on again. I opened it. Place the heat foil directly onto the heating platform and place the chipboard or thin wooden piece on top of the foil. So I think I need to give it another second or two because I've now opened it and cooled it off. So the light is green again, and I'm going to be placing my foil onto that mat. There we go. And I'm taking the chipboard. They say use the tool, but you know, okay. And now you're closing it again, and you have to now remove this from your machine, and we have to run it through our die cut machine. So whether you have a go cut or you need to put a piece of cardstock, they said, whole new thing, you have to put a piece of cardstock there. Okay, now you have to run it through your die cut machine. Doesn't matter if you don't have a go cut and emboss, you can just use your Big Shot, you can use your Cuttlebug, you can use any machine that you own. Oh, and look at that. Isn't that fabulous? And I don't know if you heard my little thing there. I can't see that this is going to work, but it works. That is absolutely fabulous, you guys. I am thrilled. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm quickly going to do the other one. This is awesome. I was very skeptical. I have to be honest. I did not think that this was going to work. Okay, so now I want to do this beautiful frame because I'm actually busy with like a wildlife page, but I want to do a gold thingy, and I was going to heat emboss it, but then the machines arrived. So this is a very intricate design, and they will be available from the shop soon. So I'm going to pop that out, and that is the front, I think. So the rules say put that down, okie dokie, and this one is going to be gold. So we need to get that piece of sellotape off there. This is so exciting. It's really exciting. I can just see the possibilities are going to be endless, and you know, I'm so bad with these things. Okay, there we go. My dad always said if all else fails. Oh, there's another piece. Okay, I'll be back in a second. Righto, so my little light is green. I've got my piece of gold foil. I am grabbing my go cut. You can see I'm quite excited. I have to put the foil down. Okay, and then we have to put the chipboard on top of that. There we go, and we have to close it. And you then have to run it through the machine. Oh, first a piece of cardstock. I'll get there, I'll get there. Rome was not built in a day. Now I've lost it. Now here it is. Okie dokie. There's that piece of cardstock. And let's hope for the best this time. Let us see. Oh, look at that. Okay, that one didn't transfer too nicely on that side. Probably cooled down too much, but I think it's fabulous. And the great thing is that you can just repeat the step. Okay, so I'm going to do that. I think actually what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the foil back. Now remember, we are experimenting, okay, and I'm going to place it. The good thing is you can see exactly where it went. I'm going to put that down. I'm actually going to reheat that just for a few minutes, okay, and see what happens. Okay, so my light is green again, so I am going to take my piece of chipboard, place it over there, remove this, and run it through the machine once and twice. Okie dokie. And let's see. perfect, 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 perfect. So what did we learn? We saw that we could redo this if it doesn't come out perfectly the first time. We saw that it's okay to leave the foil and the chipboard in there, and it's really not that hot. I think if it was metal, it would be extremely hot, so I think you need to be very careful. And oh, look at that. I'm sorry, that is just absolutely marvelous.